Venezuela is a country on the northern coast of South America, consisting of continental landmasses and many islands and inlets in the Caribbean Sea. It has a territorial extension of 916,445 kilometers. The country's population in 2022 was estimated at 29 million people. The capital and largest urban agglomeration is the city of Caracas. If you're ever traveling in Venezuela and you're up for the hike and the long boat ride, you may want to go to the Canaima National Park, which is beautiful in itself. However, it also holds a secret that most don't know about. It is also home to the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, Angel Falls. Angel Falls, or Karapakukai Maru, meaning waterfall of the deepest place, is the highest waterfall in the world, uninterrupted, with a height of 979 meters or 3,212 feet, and a plunge of 2,648 feet. The waterfall is said to be so high that by the time the water reaches the bottom, it is just a mist. The waterfall drops over the edge of the Ollantaytambo Mountain in the Canaima National Park. The height figure of 3,212 feet mostly consists of the main plunge, but also includes about 1,300 feet of sloped cascade and rapids below the drop and a 100-foot plunge downstream of the Talus Rapids. This has to be one of the most beautiful places on Earth. If anyone has visited this beautiful location, please let us know in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina on YouTube.